Hi there people, Nick Bentley here, better known as Fraybentos. Just here to show you one of my many ways of getting referrals to my tour link for Livegood. As you can see, I'm on Facebook. I've gone to one of my groups that I've joined, Network Marketing Nigeria, and all I do is go to the friends most in common part. I can just get into it here. So basically go to people at the top here, come down, members with things in common, and then just scroll down the list. And all I do, if I bring my notepad across, I just copy and paste this image, this message here, okay, which I'll show you right now how I do that. So if I go down to, basically lost where I was last at. I'll just show you exactly what I do with this. Shared this a few times. Bear with me. So this is the last person that I sent to. Now if they come back with, yeah, I'm interested, you then send your tour link and say, watch this, any questions, get back to me. And then you wait a day and you follow up. So you just go down the list, select the person, go to message, paste, copy and paste that message in. You want to tweak it, you don't want it exactly like mine. Short and sweet, don't mention Livegood. You've seen what my message was, and then if they get back to you that they're interested, send them your tour link with a, you've had your call to action, but like just say, get back to me with any questions, that you might have once you watch the video. And if they don't after a day or two, you'll either see them come into your opt-in list or just follow up the next day. So, and also what I do, I did this the other day and it didn't share, so I'm going to make sure, just bear with me, I'm sharing this here, that's good. Boom. Yeah, hopefully I'm sharing this. And then all I do is put the names here. I can send this to you if you DM me and explain how I can, get this sent to you. But basically each person has sent all these messages. When they get back to me, I can put, okay, they've requested for the video and I've sent it. Sent them a message, which I've done here, look. Not interested, joined, I've not sent anything, and there'll be a reason. I've just, for whatever reason, I want to just make sure that I don't ever try and send again or attempt to send again. I've followed up, I've sent the link, joined the group, pre-enrollee, sparked interest, like, okay, send me the link, but what is the, what's the name of the company? Not, you might not want the link, just, he's interested, but you've not, for whatever reason, sent the link. Anyway, it's all very self-explanatory and you'll have your own system, but I can send this to you. And, you want to be doing 20 to 40. If you're new to Facebook, obviously, do not send too many messages. And obviously, we don't want to spam the tour link because that's not allowed. But we just, you want to spike some interest, pique some interest, and then if they ask for the tour link, you send the tour link. The other one is, I actually won't be able to show you now, but is put posts up. I put a post up the other day, not too lengthy, a small paragraph, how a company that I've joined, it's that good. I'm only in my third week. I've got 20 members. Few top marketers out there. That's not going to be necessarily a lot, but for me it is. The company's that good. It makes it so easy to join. The CEO has thought of everything. You get a share share of the pie of what the company makes, i.e. the membership. Can't remember exactly what I put. I can't get to it now for some reason. But that there spiked some interest, and I had a couple of people, saying, what's the name of the company? Send me the link, email me, and their email in the comments below. To get those posts out there. I know to start it can be sometimes quite scary, but once you do the first one and you get some interest, some feedback, it'll give you confidence. Hope all this makes sense. Please smack that like button, subscribe, so I can get my videos shared, get some referrals coming in, some potential referrals coming in, so I can build my team up and we can all win-win. Take care guys. Bye bye.